There are big problems in doing a chase as dangerous as this on the streets. The things that we did in the streets with automobiles, I don't think will be done for a long, long time.
The Bullitt car chase scene's legacy is every car chase scene that has come after it in cinema.
Best chase scene ever filmed.
It started it all.
Iconic doesn't even begin to tell it.
Peter Yates, the director, and Mcqueen was determined to do this car chase sequence on the streets of San Francisco, and people hadn't seen that before.
You really felt what it was like to be driving this Mustang.
Between Steve McQueen being the coolest guy and driving the coolest car, to go in to sit in the theater and see this thing on the big screen, it was pretty amazing.
The Bullitt Mustang is an uncluttered piece of art. It was just oozing cool.
That seems to be the movie car that everybody knows. After the filming, someone on the lot first bought the thing.
People saw it, it was used as a daily driver for a while, and then it just disappeared.
It hasn't been seen in 30 years or more.
A lot of people skeptical that the car even exists.
This is a car that was
I have never told anybody outside of my family what I'm about to tell you. My dad happened to buy Bullitt when he was 25 years old. He drove it. I mean, it was their family car.
Wherever we went, the car went too. It was part of us.
Our goal was to always show the car to the world. At one point, somebody broke in the barn, stole the air cleaner, took pictures of the car, and we had to go underground. We had to cover it up.
I have kept the secret that I even know the existence of Bullitt my whole life.
We did not want anything to happen to this car.
It was always for the good of Bullitt, but everybody likes to form their own opinion. And letting the public see the car. It's raw and it's real, and you know it as soon as you see it. I want a lot of people to get that feeling.
The Bullitt Mustang is synonymous with freedom. There has been anticipation building for not just years, but decades.